Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create AI images using Freepik. And right now, I'm currently inside the landing page of the Freepik website. And once you're here, you'll notice already it's currently, or it looks like Canva. On the left side, you're gonna have the Canva page, and on the right side, the output. Now they have the Discord community, and if you're looking for a dark color because it automatically copy my desktop theme or computer theme, you can go light mode with that. Pretty awesome, right? It even changes the design right there. Currently, I am on sketch to image, which is currently a next topic for another video. For today's video, I'm gonna go for image AI generator. So make sure you change on that one and simply log in. So welcome back on the video. Currently, this is the main AI image generator of Freepik. The one earlier has different tools. So technically, it has image generator, sketch to image, AI image generator again. I think they duplicated that one. I'm not quite sure what's happening there, but one has beta, one has nothing. So reimagine is a different way. Anyway, for this video, we're gonna go for image generator. Before I generate an image, there is an aspect ratio here that you can check. There is a share button and there is a history button right there. So I have 20 images left for today. I think it refreshes every 24 hours. On the lower section, you're gonna have my creations. Basically, it's just like a library of all of your compilations. Again, you can change the light mode here, no problem at all. So I'm just gonna type this one. I'm just gonna simply type in the word bird, or I'm gonna go with dog. I wanna make it as plain as possible. So select an AI size. I think I'm gonna go with 1 by 1. Select create right there. And how fast the reaction is, right? You notice how fast it is. Now you're gonna notice with this one, upgrade for infinite and faster generation. What that means is that if you have the subscription plan, you can just simply scroll your mouse downward and it will generate new images. You heard me right. You don't have to click create one more time or twice or thrice. As long as you scroll down, AI Freepik will generate dog images for you. How awesome is that, right? And by the way, guys, you can download the video, or sorry about that, the image on this button right here. So just make sure if you're satisfied with the subscription plan, it's another thing to look forward to. Anyway, you can download the video, or rather, image right there. You can save the creations or reimagine this image. It has different frames here. For example, you have style, color, framing, and lighting. For style, I'm gonna go with cartoon, and without further ado, it will change everything here into a cartoon. Give it a second to load up. So this is gonna be the cartoon dog generation. Let's try one more here. Just for the sake of the discussion, I'm gonna go with comic here, click create. So since I don't have the subscription plan, I need to click on the create button. And with these are some pretty awesome images. You have color right here, framing and lighting. So I think I only have 2 more generations here. I'm gonna go with framing here, low angle. Okay then, I think this is for paid subscription since it has a crown. Let's go for, I'm gonna go with this one, Arial. Click on create. And with Arial with this one, we're gonna have these images. Pretty awesome, right? So I think I have one more. And for the sake of the discussion, I'm gonna go with color, I think, or lighting. For lighting, I'm gonna go with dramatic. With that being said, simply click on create. So I have used my 20 images for today. It will refresh in 24 hours. That being said, these are pretty awesome generations. If you want to download, without further ado, you're having that on your PC. There we have it. Pretty awesome, right? So before we end this video, I think I'm gonna discuss the prices. So if you click on premium right here, for month to month, it has $16 or $15 or 15 euro. For annual, the best price is gonna be 108. I think you will save, if I'm not mistaken, around $10 to $15 for it. And that being said, that is how you use Freepik to create AI generated images. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.